Welcome back to the Dry Fire Journal. This is day 28, and today we are going to be doing a very easy drill that's very difficult to do well, and it's called pressure testing. And this is something I use when I get the chance to do one-on-one full day sessions with people. And I'm going to show you that I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt today, so I'm wearing my tiny gun. This is a P30, and you'll see there's a clear chamber and nothing in the magazine. Well, I'm going to close the slide on an empty chamber. And what I want for this drill is not to actually bring the trigger all the way through the firing sequence. I want to take up the slack. Now, for this HK-P30L, the slack is about this far, and then I have a very short, crisp trigger. I mean, it's just almost nothing. On your Glock, on your VP9, on your Smith & Wesson, on your 1911, whatever, there's going to be a little bit of staging involved in your trigger to find your wall. All we're doing for this drill is finding the wall. And what happens is if we press out, and I'm going to point down for the sake of you being able to see what I'm doing, I'm wanting to be able to see my front sight, and if I have a dot, this is even better, because if you've been through the test and you understand that your red dot is a built-in shooting coach. And if you don't understand that, come take the test and you'll find out more. But all I want to do is bring my trigger through slack and not let my front sight and not let my dot move whatsoever. If I am over gripping with my shooting hand, it will move like this. There is some movement there. It's small, it's hard to see, but it is there as I bring up my slack. There is movement in there. I want to get rid of that. That's why I call this a pressure test, because this helps me understand the moment I grab my firearm that I need to use my command hand, my support hand, to do all the things so that my shooting hand can relax. And when I do, when I move from finger just touching the trigger to wall, the front sight or the red dot won't move. And that's what we're looking for. If I can replicate that in dry fire over and over again, then I am learning how my grip should work. And if I can translate that into live fire, then I have really discovered something cool. So, less than 3 minutes today, and if you choose to do this for an extended period of time, you will learn a whole lot about pressure testing your grip for keeping your sight motionless right before ignition. And why does this matter? Because almost all of our mistakes happen before the gun goes boom. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.